Welcome back to Whiz. In this video, we're going to be reviewing multiplication. As you know, multiplication is a shortcut to addition. And you may be thinking, well, why not use addition? I know that, and I think it's simpler. Well, that's fine until you get to numbers like 36 that you have to add 50 times. You will be there all day. You can do that a lot quicker with multiplication. Which is why today we're going to be going into two-digit multiplication on Whiz. Okay, let's get into it. As you know, multiplication is a shortcut to addition, and addition can take a long time with big numbers. Well, in the last video, we talked about how to do multiplication with small numbers. But when you're trying to do two-digit multiplication, where both numbers are 2 digits, it gets a little complicated. So, let's try one together. Oh, how about we start with our example of 36 times 50. Okay, so imagine we're in a warehouse that sells socks. And we're supposed to sell 36 pairs of socks to 50 stores. So let's write 36 times 50. In my previous video, you might have heard me mention that it's always good to put the bigger number on top. That's true if the number has more digits. If they have the same number of digits, you can switch them any which way, and it doesn't really matter. Let's look at the problem. Okay. So let's use the times table. Well, as we know, 0 times anything is 0. So we can confirm that 0 times 6 is 0. So let's write that below the line. And 0 times 3 is 0. So let's write that below the line. So this is where it gets a little tricky. So pay close attention. So as you notice, 5 is in the tens place. So we will need to make all the other numbers start from the tens place. So let's make a new row of numbers below the 2 zeros and start with a 0 to make all numbers starting from the tens place. So 5 times 6 is 30. So let's put the 0 next to the other 0 and the 3 above the 3. So now we would need to multiply 5 times 3, which equals 15. And then add it to the 3 and get 18. So now let's move that down. And now we're going to add up all the numbers and get 1,800. Wow, that's a lot of socks. See, that wasn't so hard. Now let's see if you can try one on your own. This company just started to sell a new product. They're starting to sell shoes. So they're selling 41 pairs of shoes to 21 different stores. So how many pairs of shoes would they be selling? I will put the problem on the screen and the times table if you need help. So get to it. Okay, you ready? Let's work through this together. 1 times 1 equals 1, so let's write that down. And 1 times 2 equals 2. So now let's move down to the 4. Let's put the 0 as our placeholder, and then let's start multiplying. 4 times 1 equals 4. and 4 times 2 equals 8. So, now let's write that down and add it all up and get 861. Wow, that is a lot of shoes. Did you get it right? Well, that's all for this video. I hope this video has helped you understand multiplication a little bit more. Check back soon for more videos. Bye!